Two kinds of cells, all got them organelles. Lot of functions, lot of jobs, not a bombshell. You claim you know biology? That's a false claim. Cause when you learn about the cells, you won't be in frame. First is plant, then is animal, yes, those are names. Every cell has its parts, their own kind of task. They make sure that the cell be moving on track. Because without them, our existence is what the world would like. First up is the nucleus, that's the main station. It stores DNA with its genetic information. Then there's mitochondria, that's a powerhouse. Turns food to ATP and leaves the rest out. The vacuole is full of water and nutrients. And the plastic that's important, that's the nucleus. Lysosome destroys anything out of place. It will demolish you so quick it won't leave a trace. Cells, cells, building blocks of life. Cells, cells, building blocks of life. Cells, cells of life would be full of life. Without cells in our life. Cells, cells, building blocks of life. Cells, cells, necessities of life. Cells, cells, we need them in our life. Yeah, that's the truth. Nature's Golgi body packaging those proteins, and proteins come from the ER to this factory. Understanding it's quite easy, and next time you take a test it will be breezy. Moving on to endoplasmic reticulum. Speculation manufactures its curriculum. Speaking of travel, here's the cell membrane. It protects the cell and that's the phospholipid chain. Don't forget ribosome, making proteins not chromosomes. You'll never be alone. They hang together in cells. Cells, cells, building blocks of life. Cells, cells, building blocks of life. Cells, cells of life would be full of life. Without cells in our life. Cells, cells, building blocks of life. Cells, cells, necessities of life. Cells, cells, we need them in our life. Yeah, that's the truth. The vesicle acts like a basket. All the memory has to do is ask it. Cytoplasm holds the organelles in place. Its gel-like substance takes up a huge space. Chloroplast takes up sunlight very well and is found only inside of the plant cell. The cell wall, yeah, it sure does a lot, keeping the plant protected and not aloft. Cells, cells, building blocks of life. Cells, cells, building blocks of life. Cells, cells of life would be full of life. Without cells in our life. Cells, cells, building blocks of life. Cells, cells, necessities of life. Cells, cells, we need them in our life. Yeah, that's the truth.